There's nothing like getting away for a few days, and my family and I had a great break recently at a cottage in the 2021 GMC Sierra Denali. GMC sent my family and I off to a cottage for a weekend, and it was the perfect getaway to recharge somewhere relaxing. Our Airbnb in the Kawarthas had it all. We drove there in the Sierra Denali one Friday and left refreshed on the Sunday. And the cottage was totally perfect. We lounged on the couch with the fireplace, we had amazing meals, we watched the water from the deck, and the place was so cozy. We had s'mores by the fire outside, and just sat and enjoyed the fresh air. It was perfect. And you've got to do it sometime. A fall or even a winter trip like this is a totally different pace. We really enjoyed the Sierra Denali too. It's an incredible truck. We drove the Sierra 1500 4-wheel drive Denali with crew cab, and it's one of the smoothest drives I've had in ages. The truck features an innovative 6-function tailgate with a carbon fiber composite bed, and there's even a kicker Bluetooth speaker so you can play your tunes right outside the truck. The truck is gorgeous, and inside it's so comfortable with a quiet interior, tons of legroom, and a Bose premium sound system. There's also lots of storage inside, and the seats are 10-way power adjustable, heated front seats. The truck has built-in Amazon Alexa, there's driver assistance technology including adaptive cruise control with park assist, and it is so easy to park thanks to the 15 camera views you can choose from, including bed view. So if you're at all nervous or unsure about parking a truck this size, it is not at all difficult. The camera system can help you in any space, especially because you've basically got a 360 view from the top of the truck. So it's incredibly easy to find a parking space. And of course that also helps in terms of parking or towing. And yes, there's 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, which my daughter really appreciated while we drove. Makes it so easy to share Wi-Fi within the vehicle. So what do you think? What do you think of the 2021 GMC Sierra Denali? Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer anything you want to know. Thank you so much for watching.